Welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to make perfect latte. Beginner should be how to make latte. So actually you can add latte so very easy, but you need to first know how to make espresso. Then you can make perfect latte. So guys, I show you now practically. Okay guys, this is it. You can see coffee bean. I'm using 18 gram coffee bean. You can see. Now I'm making espresso. So you can use so many type milk you can use. So I'm using just fresh milk. Now I'm steam milk. You can see when you can steam milk, you need to should be clean steamer. Then you can see how steam. This is the steamer. You don't put like this. Should be put like this or like this. You can steam milk for latte. When steam milk should be milk temperature 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. You can see, so creamy milk.